damaged ends to healthy hair. Stay tuned.
Cut my hair. It's time. I need a good cut. I haven't had a good cut in a while. So yeah, I'm nervous, but it is what it is. And stay tuned. Let me see. Yeah, you can cut that off. Yeah, you can cut that off.
I know y'all were looking at that like she ain't even cut off a whole lot. It was really like 3 inches like all over into like a better layered cut. I really needed that. I have not been taking care of my hair as best as I should, and I can't preach healthy hair if my hair was not on point, period. I went in and recolored my roots. I wanted to get rid of that bright red because I was really sick of it. So eventually I'm going to go for like a brighter copper, but this will do for right now. I'm actually going in to put on my Adore color here and Paprika, and then it was another color, but I totally forgot the name of that one. But anyway, I'm putting it all through my hair to give my hair a brighter color. After I washed and deep treated my hair, I went in with my Milk and Honey Yolk conditioner, which can also be used as a leave-in. And then I went in with my blow dryer on cool, and I blow dried my hair. The shape already, it even feels and looks a lot better. Now that I'm done with the blow dry, I'm going in with my moisture cream, which is a twist out cream, and for braid outs or wash and goes. And I'm going to go ahead and start my twist out. I wanted to do my twist out closer to the scalp because I just like the volume that it has. Normally when I do the mini twists, I leave those in for like a couple days or even like a week or two, but I wanted to look popping the next day, so this is what I did. So this is it after it's dry. But side note, after I left the salon, I was in the rain. It started pouring down and I did not have no umbrella. So the back was still kind of wet a little bit, but either way, it's still cute. This is exactly what I was looking for. I love it. I love my new curls. I love my new shape. I am popping. Guys, so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and follow me on Instagram. Peace.